Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to get anime style filters on Snapchat. So let's start. First open the Snapchat app. Now tap on anywhere to enable the filters. Now swipe up to open the Lens Explorer. On the search bar at the top of the screen, search for anime. And on the search result you'll see many anime filters. Select any one of them. And then hold it over a face. And that's how you can get anime style filters on Snapchat app. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next tutorial.